Okay, let's jump in. This is the social media analysis feature in Shulex. Let's say we're doing a search on face serum here. You can type in a brand name if you want, but you have the and or operators here. This is going to search across multiple different social media channels: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, and the news, and let us know what posts mention this here keyword. If it's a brand, it will mention your brand. You can organize by most engagements, most comments. You can do, this is over the last 3 days, but this is really good for doing influencer research or just social topic research across social media, right? And then once you've done that, what we can do is we can go ahead and turn this into a report. So when we click create report here, it's going to start spinning a little circle, and then it's going to give you up a report like this, right? It's going to organize it based on popularity. This is the most engaged post. This is the hottest topic with the most views and likes, engagements. And then we go down here, we have posts ranked in order of engagement. We have search topics trends here, related topics, search topics here. And then we have mentions trend across social media, right? Which channel is getting the most mentions of? Face serum, or selling on Amazon, or Sony. And then key influencer tracking here, right? Which influencer has the most following? Which influencer has the most engagements, right? And I can see this one actually has done 2 posts about face serum. And just from those 2 posts, even though she doesn't have the most followers, like this guy's with 3.9 followers, has mentioned face serum twice, she has the most engagement. So I would reach out to this influencer and say, hey, can you do another post on our product? Because your posts get really good engagement. And then you can see a demographic here of the country that they're posting from. And if you're a new seller, agency, brand aggregator, I really hope that you can start implementing this into your business and team. It really helps you. Thank you. That is it.